Yes, children, now it's time for our maths course book work. Okay, now come to page number 147 of your maths course book. Okay, now see here Samriddhi, name of a girl. Samriddhi visited a toy shop with her friends and found the following toys. Okay, how many rockets are there? See, 3 rockets, and all these are toys. Okay, and then toy tops, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 toy tops. Okay, and then 6 toy robots. Now we have to we had observed this table. Now it's time to answer the questions. Okay, see, the question number 1 is how many rockets were there. You will do it yourself, children, no need of help. Okay, you all are smart and it's very easy. Just count and write. How many tops were there? Just count and write. How many robots were there? Just count and write. Okay, children, do all this work. Okay, now we will move to checkpoint 1, which is also on page number 147. See, just look at these toys and count each of their number. Okay, just count the number of the toys. Okay, children, and here also you have to count the number of this toys. Okay, now it's time to write the number of toys you have counted. It's time to write the number of toys. Okay, so this also I know you all are going to do it yourself, and it's very easy and very simple. You all are going to do it yourself and do it correctly. Okay, just count and write. Now we will move to page number 148, and this time it's a picture of a railway platform. Okay, children, and now see the railway platform very carefully. Observe the number of persons very carefully. And now it's again question answer time, and what you have to do is how many people are sitting on the benches. Just see, there are 3 benches now. Just count the number of people sitting on the benches. Okay, now we will move to question number 2. How many people are standing on the platform? So you are going to observe this picture, and you are going to see how many people are standing, and you will count the number and write it here. Okay, and then question number 3, how many people are reading newspapers? Okay, again you will observe that picture, the picture of the railway platform carefully, and then you are going to write. And how many kids are there? Again, observation time. Observe the picture of railway platform and write the answer. Question number 5, is the number of people sitting more than the number of people standing? So what you have to do is you will write the both numbers, number of people who are sitting and the number of persons who are standing. Okay, and then you will see which one is more in number, and then you will write. If the number of people sitting is more, then you will write number of people sitting is more than the number of people standing. But if the number of people standing is more than the number of people sitting, then you will write number of people sitting. Got it, children? Now time for our application book C and worksheet 11.1. Again we have to see the different types of teddy bears are there. Okay, see, this one is different, this one is different, and this one is also different. Okay, so you are going to see the different types of teddy bears. Okay, and again what you have to do is you have to count. See, this type of teddy bears, how many this type of teddy bears are there? You will just tick and count. Okay, and you are going to write the number of this type of teddy bear in this box. Okay, again this type of teddy bear you are going to count and write in the box, and again this type of teddy bear you are going to count in the table and write the number in the boxes. Okay, got it? Count this type of teddy bear and write in the boxes. Okay, now we will move to page number 16 and worksheet number 11.2. See children, again different type of keys are given. Okay, pictures of keys are given. Again we have to count the number of the keys and write in the boxes. And then what we have to do for question number 2 is take the key which is most in number. See, we have for question number 1 you will count the number of keys and you will write in the box. Now then after writing the number of keys, you will observe which is most in number and you are going to circle that key in the question number 2. Got it children? I think that will be clear to you. Okay. Now move to worksheet 11.3. Again children, one table is given here and you have to answer the 2 questions after observing this table. Which fruit did they eat the most? Which fruit is most in number? You are going to write it here. How many more apples did they eat than mangoes? See, the number of apples are 4 and the number of mangoes are 3. So, how many more apples? How many more? 3 mangoes they are eating and 4 apples they are eating. So, how many more apples they are eating? Only 1. Only 1. And how we have got this number 1? After subtracting. So, you can write like this. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 1 more apples they eat than mangoes. Got it? Now, we will move to worksheet 11.4. Okay. Count and write the number of fruits. Again the same thing, you have to sort it out. You have to count and write. How many watermelons are there? Write it here. How many strawberries are there? Write. Then how many pineapples and how many apples you have going to write. And again you have to answer this question. Question number 1. Which fruit is least in number? Which fruit is least in number means what? Which fruit is less in number? Which fruit is less in number? You are going to see the number of fruits and which will be the less in number, most less in number, you are going to write it here. And which fruit is highest in number? Which fruit is having high number, more number, you are going to write it here in the question number 2. Which fruit is highest in number? Okay. And how many apples are there? So you have counted the number of apples and you have written it here. So you are going to write it here. And how many strawberries are there? Again you will write it from here. Okay. And how many fruits are there in all? So what you have to do is, you all have counted and written the numbers here now. So you will add all the numbers together and write it here for question number 5. Is that clear? Now move to worksheet 11.5. And this type of question we have done in maths course book also. We have in that maths course book we have done from the observing the picture of a platform. Now this time we have to observe the picture of a metro compartment, train compartment, and we have to write it here. Okay. How many people are sitting? You will count and write. How many people are standing? You will count and write. How many people are reading a newspaper? You will see who are reading the newspaper and then you will write. How many people are wearing a blue shirt? You will count and then write. Is the number of people sitting more than the number of people standing? Again you are going to watch observe the answer of question number 2 and 1, and then you will write here the answer. If the number of people are sitting is more, then you will write number of people sitting, and if the number of people standing is more, then you will write the number of people standing. Got it? Now we will move to worksheet 11.6. Okay children, see here also a picture of a bus station is given. Observe carefully and answer. See, picture of buses are there. You will count the number of buses and you will write in question number 1. How many buses can you see? In question number 1, you will count the number of buses and you are going to write it here. And for question number 2, how many cars can you see? You will count the number of cars and you will write it here. And children, how many trees can you see? You will count the number of trees and you are going to write in answer 3. Write the above 3 numbers in ascending order. See. How many buses we can see, how many cars we can see, and how many trees we can see. We will write it here and then we will arrange them in ascending order. Let's do this. Okay? See children, this I am going to do for you all. Okay? How many buses can you see? See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many buses we can see? 5. And how many cars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And how many trees? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And one more time, do it carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 17. Okay. Yes children, only 17 trees are there. Now what is saying in question number 4? Write the above 3 numbers in ascending order. Ascending means what? Small to big. So I will write 5 first, then 7 first, second, and then 17 at the last. Now in question number 5, it's asking out of cars and buses, which is more in number and how many more? 5 buses, 7 cars. So which one is more? Cars are more. Okay. And by how many numbers? So what we have to do? 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Cars are more in number and they are 2 more than buses. Got it? Okay children, now it's time to say bye to you all. Take care, study well, be healthy.